Hello SEO professionals and welcome back again to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to find out 5,000 backlink opportunities for your own website. In SEO, a strong backlink profile matters a lot. You will need to create backlinks as soon as you create a piece of content on your website. So, along with on-page SEO, it's also very important to have a great off-page SEO as well. So, backlink is basically a mention of your own website on an external, relevant, and authoritative website. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact three-step process to find out 5,000 backlink opportunities. So if you're watching me for the first time, I am Shafi, the founder of ClickDeed, which is a well-known SEO agency providing SEO services in Pakistan as well as across the world. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well so as to support this tutorial and help others find this tutorial on the platform. So let's get started without further ado. Alright guys, so here is how you can find out 5,000 backlink opportunities for your own website within 3 simple and easy steps. So the first step is going to be installing an extension for free, and you will need to search for the Chrome Web Store. Then you will need to click on the first result to enter the Chrome Web Store. Okay, so then in the search bar on the left side of your screen, you will need to search for keyword everywhere, which is a Chrome extension and it's free. Of course they provide some paid plans as well, but you don't need to buy their paid plans to find out 5,000 backlink opportunities, right? So this is the extension I have already added to my Chrome. So you will need to click on this extension. So for now it says remove from the Chrome extension, as I have already added it to my Chrome extension. So once you click on the extension, then it will show you an option to add it to Chrome. Allow it to your browser, and within a second it will be installed within your Chrome browser and you will be able to use it anywhere within the Chrome. So this is the first step, right? So now let me just pin this extension in the Chrome for quick use. So the second step is to identify your target keyword. So in other words, what is your keyword for which you want to get the backlinks? So just let me show you an example. So for example, in my case, I have my target keyword, which is image SEO, right? And this is a blog article on our SEO agency website, right? So in my case, my target keyword is going to be the image SEO, right? So what I need to do is to search for image SEO and to see which are my top competitors are ranking for my specific target keyword. So once I have identified the competitors, then I can copy their backlinks using the keyword everywhere extension, right? So now as you can see, there are really big competitors. For me, it's the Search Engine Journal, the Yoast SEO, Ahrefs, WordStream, and so on. But the thing you need to see here is that under each snippet of these competitors' websites, you will see an option from the keyword everywhere extension which says show the backlinks, right? Now it provides some cool features. So for example, it will also show you all the referring domains that link back to the Search Engine Journal article. Along with this extension will also show you the anchor text and the most domain authority, right? As well as the spam score of that specific domain. So if you scroll down, you can also further filter, or set the preference to show the backlinks on this page. So for example, for now it shows only 10 results. So you can select 20, 50, 100 and 200, right? So the next thing, you can export or copy this data to your desktop and to filter out these backlink sources and to decide which of these domains are worth getting backlinks from, right? So you can also find out the nature of the backlinks they have acquired for their own domain. So for example, I'm talking about the search engine journal. So when you visit each of these URL one by one, you will be able to identify whether it's a guest post, it's a blog comment, it's a directory submission, or whatever. So that's it. This is how you can find out 5,000 backlink opportunities, and now you're able to start creating backlinks for your website. So if you want my SEO agency to create backlinks for your website or for your business, then make sure to contact us at the email provided in the description down below. Once again, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, be sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on important tutorials regarding SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing. So thanks for watching, and I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial. I will see you in the next one.